Okay.
What's not turning?
Our friend Mr. Diffie.
It's got differential and possible.
Well, we got to pull the drive shaft out either way.
Yeah.
So then we'll check on the Diffie diff.
Yeah.
And the parking brakes off?
On. I should not be able to have that much play.
No.
In
On
the
an
drive shaft.
On an 8-inch? No.
You know, maybe that, and that's probably,
like,
you know, being generous.
My 9-inch gears that I used to run the street stock with the spool.
Yeah.
You know, spool, you have no fucking play.
Yeah, your tolerances are 0 or
yeah.
a millionth.
I have a locker now, and I can do maybe a fifth of that.
Yeah, I mean, that's a 1/4 inch of play.
Yeah. That's a lot. Okay. We might need to address that.
Socket
so first,
number 5.
First order of business. Some freaking clown who did the oil last time tightened it so much the seal is over the drain plug. We can't get anything on here. It's supposed to be 7/8. And I have 7/8 right here. And it don't fit.
Behind you is a razor blade. We can buy a new O-ring gasket.
Yeah, I know. Razor blade.
Corner.
Oh, yeah, right there. Conveniently located next to the mirror and the straw. Kidding. We ain't got money for that. We're too busy fixing shit.
Alrighty, that idea is not going to work.
I'd be
Too
half
rough.
the weight I am if we had that, though.
Okay, which one is this?
Here's 7/8. Try to beat that shit on there.
No, that's the problem is it won't go on.
It won't go on. Yeah. What a disaster. Okay, so whoever put this on is in some serious freaking trouble with me and the Scotty. Does today feel weird for some reason?
Yes, today has just been...
Feels weird. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not myself today. I don't know why.
Well, it's Andre's birthday, too. We should do a happy birthday video. With, like, all the pictures I have of Andre being ridiculous and saying things like, "Okay." This is donkulous. I cannot believe this shit. So, I don't know who changed the oil last, but they obviously aren't smart enough to change the oil. And according to this cheap POS oil filter they have on here, that's stuck, according to Scotty.
Yeah, no, put your hand up there. Feel it.
Oh my God! Yeah, and you got it with big old channel locks.
Yes.
Filter pliers. And about ready to hammer a screwdriver through that sumbitch. This is ridiculous.
Oh my God! I just need to get out of the way a minute.
This is nuts. Oh, look. That's one corner. Don't cut yourself, but I don't consider you an emo kid, so.
Yeah, I'm not an emo kid. I'm the one your mom and dad warned you not to hang out with.
And I'm hanging out with you every day. Didn't I just tell you not to cut yourself?
Yes. Did I ever tell you I don't listen much?
We know that. Listening's no one. 7/8 a bit. Hold on. Damn, Scotty. You're about 85% today.
If that.
Oh. I commend you for shoving cars around. I didn't mean to give you a hard time earlier either.
No, you're fine.
I was like, come on, man. But anyway, let's see how long this takes.
But you gotta remember, I'm technically one-armed. Well, one-shouldered.
Well, you know. One armed, 3 bald. It evens out.
And I'm off to the rodeo.
Oh, boy. What in the hell? Okay, so Joey, when you see this, just text me who worked on this last so we can let people know to avoid them, especially if they're local here, because I wouldn't let them touch a frigging tricycle. This is nuts. Well, it's still kind of nice in here, buddy.
Yeah, there was a nice breeze that came through earlier.
We're just a little busy. Just a little busy. I can't believe this. Oh my God, dude. We're going on 5 minutes of video of this nonsense. This is nuts. Ay, 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 ay.